Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RJ's Info. This video is about how to use VLOOKUP with multiple column criteria. Here sales data is given and payments data is given. In sales data, all important invoice number, date, supplier name, product, specs, quantity, total everything is given. The same way payments also, main criteria of invoice number, specs, quantity is given. So three columns are very important to reconcile. In case multiple companies are there, we can add it because uniqueness is very important. Here only one company Wipro and another is Philips, so there is no need for lookup. Directly we cannot use VLOOKUP for multiple search. For that we have to create helper column. Just insert one column. We want to look up invoice number, specs and quantity. So invoice number, specs and quantity. If there are multiple suppliers are there, then we have to add supplier's name. So this is done. Now the formula is very simple. Go there, VLOOKUP. First criteria is invoice number, Ampersand, specs, Ampersand, then quantity. If anything is not matching, then result will not come. The table array should be start of first column. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Freeze it. We want total column number 9. For exact match 0. There are some mismatches there. We can trace out. Just check quantity. So 30, 9 and 40. So one is difference. The same way here 22, here 25. So we can trace it like that. Okay. In case there are multiple suppliers are there, simply we can add here. Go there. Everything is not matching because we have to add. We need to add D2. So based on our requirement, first we need to create helper column, then whatever columns added we have to give search value here, then only it will give result. If you like this video, please share it, comment it, please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.